It's the same song with a different beat. Banning smoking in bars and restaurants is back on the table. Only this time, drumming up the conversation are musicians.
You play until like 1:30 or 2 in the morning and like there's a clear like fog layer of smoke that you can see in an establishment.
James Gilley manages dozens of artists across Knoxville through his company Promotion LLC. When booking artists for a gig, he says some almost immediately ask whether the venue allows smoking.
Because the smoking hurts their vocal cords and it makes it hard, it causes issues. Now certain other clients, they really don't care. They'll go anywhere and play.
For more than a decade, a state law stopped cigarette smoking in most restaurants and bars. But there was a loophole, giving bars with an age restriction the go-ahead to allow smoking. A coalition called Musicians for a Smoke-Free Tennessee has been rallying to close that gap for years now. They recently won somewhat of their fight after Governor Bill Lee signed a bill giving city and county leaders the option to ban smoking in restaurants and bars, something Gilley thinks could be bad for business.
If they were to change the way they operated, they're going to lose a lot of people that have been patrons of that place for a long time. And that could be a make or break for a lot of these places.
Despite Knoxville state lawmakers being the ones to nip the loophole in the bud, there's no talks of change coming from city leaders yet.
It's definitely going to be a touchy subject, I think, for a lot of people. But we'll see.
In Knoxville, Gwendolyn Ducree, WVLT News.
There's probably only a couple of handfuls of bars in the Knoxville, East Tennessee area that allow smoking inside. We haven't heard back from any of the bar owners we talked to who could be affected by this, but some smokers say they'll just follow the smoke, go where they can.